Here's my secret to creating the perfect blush and eyeshadow shades made just for you. Why settle for store-bought when you can customize your colors that perfectly complement your unique skin tone? You need to discover the magic of making your own professional quality makeup at home. It's easier than you think and so rewarding. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and today we're going to craft something truly special. A blush and an eyeshadow palette that's as unique as you are. No more searching for shades that only come close to what you want. With this video, you'll learn how to create perfectly pigmented, customized colors that flatter your skin tone and give you that professional quality finish. Before we dive into this recipe, I just want you to know we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it easy to create natural DIY products. That's why we created this DIY blush and eyeshadow palette kit. With this kit, you'll get all the key ingredients you'll need to whip up your own custom palette. Plus, if you're looking for individual ingredients or want to stock up, you can grab everything you need at simplyearth.com. Store-bought makeup often contains harsh chemicals, artificial fragrances, and preservatives that can harm your skin and health. At Simply Earth, we believe in clean, natural alternatives. With our DIY blush and eyeshadow palette kit, you'll know exactly what's going into your makeup, only safe, natural ingredients you can trust. So grab your kit and clear your mind, because making natural recipes is not just fun, it's self-care. Let's create this simple, radiant blush and eyeshadow palette together. Give your skin the TLC it craves. For the blush, you'll need from your Simply Earth kit 1 teaspoon of the DIY mineral makeup base, pigments and mica powders, half a teaspoon of almond oil. This is moisturizing and improves skin tone. Half a tablespoon of mango butter. This improves the skin elasticity and it's anti-aging. Half a teaspoon of cetyl alcohol. This helps strengthen the skin's barrier function. 3 drops Beauty Within essential oil blend. This is optional. And a rectangle cosmetic tint. For the eyeshadow from your Simply Earth kit, you'll need 1 teaspoon of DIY mineral makeup base, pigments and mica powders, 1/16 to 1/4 teaspoon of almond oil, 3/4 of a teaspoon of mango butter, 1/4 teaspoon of cetyl alcohol, and a square cosmetic tint. From your home, you will need mini measuring spoons, pestle and mortar, coffee grinder, or a silicone spatula. You will also need a face mask. For the moisturizing glow balm, you will need 1 tablespoon mango butter, half a teaspoon of cetyl alcohol, half a teaspoon of almond oil, 1/32 teaspoon of pearl mica powder, 2 drops Resilience essential oil blend, and a rectangle cosmetic tint. First, let's make the blush. Choose the shade that you would like to use. For this video, we're using shade 4, Coral. It's an orange pink, which is a 1/4 teaspoon rose red mica powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of tiger orange powder, and a 1/16 teaspoon of yellow gold mica powder. Thoroughly blend the DIY mineral makeup base, pigments, and mica powders using a silicone spatula, pestle and mortar, or a DIY designated coffee grinder. To use as a loose powder, pour the mixture into a cosmetic tin, dip a makeup brush into the powder, tap the brush to remove excess powder, then apply to the cheeks. To create a pressed powder, add the almond oil to the powders and stir thoroughly. Press the mixture firmly into the cosmetic tin. To use, apply to cheeks with a clean finger or makeup brush. To create a cream-based blush, melt together almond oil, mango butter, and cetyl alcohol. Once melted, add the essential oils and stir. Add oil mixture to the powders and stir until thoroughly combined. Pour it into the cosmetic tin and gently tap the tin against the counter to release air bubbles. Allow it to cool completely. Some tips and customizations. Pigments tend to clump up, so you must be persistent in your blending. Feel free to adjust the shades by changing the amounts of pigments and mica powders. Keep in mind that a small adjustment can make a big difference in color. Next, let's do the eyeshadow. Choose the shade that you would like to make. Thoroughly blend the mineral makeup base, pigments, and mica powder using a silicone spatula, pestle and mortar, or DIY designated coffee grinder. To use as a loose powder, pour the mixture into a cosmetic tin, dip a makeup brush into the powder, tap the brush to remove excess powder, and apply to the cheeks. To create a pressed powder, add 1/8 teaspoon of almond oil to the powders and stir thoroughly. Pour the mixture into the tin and firmly press it down using a clean finger or the back of a spoon. To use a makeup brush or a clean finger to apply to the cheeks. To create a cream-based blush, melt together a 1/4 teaspoon almond oil, the mango butter, and cetyl alcohol, and stir to mix. Add oil mixture to the powders and stir until thoroughly combined. Pour it into the cosmetic tin and gently tap the tin against the counter to release air bubbles. Allow it to cool completely. Repeat to create 3 more shades. Remember that this recipe involves working with fine powders that can go airborne as you blend them. If you have sensitive lungs, wear a face mask while crafting to avoid inhalation. Melt together the cetyl alcohol, mango butter, and almond oil. Once the mixture is melted, remove from the heat and add essential oils. Pour the mixture into a tin and allow it to cool completely. To use, apply to face and lips, spreading it around with clean fingers, avoiding the eyes, to moisturize and create glowing skin. Spreading the balm around will likely cause temporary redness in the skin, which will subside within a few minutes. This balm is a great base for your DIY makeup. Adjustments. As you adjust your makeup recipe, be sure to add note of each pigment you add so you can remake the recipe in the future. Make adjustments in the smallest amounts possible, 1/64 teaspoon or less at a time. Feel free to add your adjustment notes in the amount added column. If your recipe is too dark, add more DIY mineral makeup base. If your recipe is too light, add black iron oxide. If it's too pink, add green iron oxide. If it's too orange, add blue ultramarine. If the undertone is too cool, add yellow iron oxide. If the undertone is too warm, add red iron oxide. To use, apply to cheeks or eyelids and even lips if desired with a clean finger or makeup brush. Let's test it out. Wow, this is so glowy and feels incredibly lightweight. See how easy that was? If I can make this DIY blush and eyeshadow palette, you can absolutely make it too. So now it's your turn. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it with hashtag #IMadeThis, tagging From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured. For natural DIY products made easy, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. If you like this video, be sure to check out these videos for more natural DIY recipes. You'll see them on the screen right after this.